Hi viewers, today I am explaining text formatting in MS Word. In previous video, already we have discussed how to change font color, font sizes, how to change highlighting color, how to save a file, how to open a file, how to open a new document. So that and all we are discussed. So today I am explaining text formatting in MS Word. So now I will start what is subscript. Subscript means, see, so command. In home group we have commands. So this is actually we are called it's a subscript. Subscript means create small letters below the text baseline. So create a small letters below the text baseline. For example, here I mentioned something. So H2O, I want to type H2 like that. So now I am typing a data. Suppose I want to type now H2O. H I am typing. 2O I typed means same line it is carrying. Suppose I want to type now small letters below the text baseline. On that purpose I am using subscript. So now we want to select a subscript. Now I type a 2. See, now H2O I want to type normally now. Again we want to close this subscript means you can click that button. So now normal line it is continuing. So this like subscript we are using. Now next to what is superscript? Create small letters above the line of text. Create a small letters above the line of text. How to use this one? For example, I mentioned here I want to type a 10th class, 2nd class, that like on that time I am using this is superscript. So now I want to type C. I want to type a 10th class. So TH I type now, it is carrying in one base line only. Now small letters above the line I want to type. Now I am selecting here superscript. I am selecting here superscript. See, now above the line that cursor is blinking. Now I am typing TH. Now I want to continue in same line. Again you can press this button, superscript button. Now, so it's common line it is showing now. Now I am typing 10th class, this like. So subscript and superscript why we are using we learnt. So now I am explaining this change case. Change case button why we are using means change all selected data to uppercase. Suppose all data I want to convert into lowercase. All data I want to convert into a sentence case. Each letter I want to capitalize in a paragraph. On that purpose I am using to change case. Change case means it is possible to changing the data capital letters, small letters, sentence wise, each letter capital wise. On that purpose we are using. Now I want to use this change case means first we want to select a data. We want to select a data. Now I am selected a data. So now I am pressing this change case button. Suppose now I want to convert all sentence into a uppercase. I am selecting uppercase button. See friends, automatically it is converted into all capital letters. Suppose now I want to convert this all text into a lowercase. Now you can select a lowercase button. So next one. So now we want to all selected data it is converted into small letters. Now I want to use a sentence case. So sentence case means each letter it is capitalized in sentence form it is converted. So now I am using each letter capitalize. See, each letter in every word each letter it is capitalizing. Suppose I want to use a now toggle case. Toggle case I am selected. See, toggle case. See, first letter is small letters, remaining under big capital letters it is showing. This is called actually toggle case. So on the time of newspaper and books preparation we are using this one. Now I want to convert into this and all in sentence case only. I am selecting sentence case. So next I am explaining bullets. So bullets means this is called bullets. So why we are using this bullets means start a bullet list. So bullet list means point wise. I want to type a text in point wise. So that is called bullets. I want to set a bullets in my text means First we want to select our text. So I am selected text now. Now I am clicking the bullet. See. So now point wise bullets it is applied. Again, suppose I want to remove these bullets. You can click again that bullets button, it is removed. See. Again I want to apply means you can click bullet buttons. So you can click in this arrow mark. Here we have different types of bullets. What type of bullets do you want? You can select it. This like. So this is bullets, how to apply the bullets, how to delete a bullets. So next, suppose I want to use a numbers. Start a numbered list. So now you can select. Now here we have different types of numbers. I mean Roman numbers we have, capital letters we have, small letters we have. So this like, which type of number do you want? You can select it. So Roman letters I am selecting. So now our data it is showing in Roman letters. Suppose I want to remove that number list now. So again you can select this number list, it is removed now. So what is bullets, what is number list, why we are using, we understood now. So now alignment, I am explaining now this paragraph alignment. So align text, now we are in left side only, align text to the left. So now I am using align text to the center. See, suppose I want to align text right side. So this like, it is possible to aligning the data